A quadratic equation in variable x is of the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are real number and a is equal to 0. Then the values obtained by solving the quadratic equation are also called the solutions, roots, and the zeros of the quadratic equation. Then a real number alpha is said to be a solution, root, or zero of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. Uh, there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. First one is first method is by factorization method, means by splitting the middle term, then making the perfect square, and by using the quadratic formula. Then splitting the middle term. Second, making perfect square. Third one is by using the quadratic formula. Page. For example, x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. First, we will solve by splitting the method. So, from this equation, we can take 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. From this equation, we can take x as a common variable plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. मैं पढ़ा ही नहीं रहा है. पढ़ना है कि नहीं तुम्हें? So our example is x square plus 2x plus 1, and we are going to solve it by splitting the middle term method. So from this equation, uh, first I will explain the what is the splitting term method is. So if we have a equation x square plus px plus c is equal to 0, then in this equation we have to multiply the coefficient of x square and coefficient and the constant term, that is a and c. hmm, A into c. Then the product we will get, let's assume it as z. hmm. From that product we have to uh, split it like, mm, addition or the subtraction of the products should come equal to b. Comment टाकणार आहे. Okay, so we will take a example, that is x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we will multiply the coefficient of x square and the constant term. So here we will get 1, and the another two products are 1 and 1. Here we can see that the addition of these two products, the addition of these two products will come 2. That is equal to b from this equation. So we can write it as x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So from this equation, we are going to take common from both the sides. From here, we will take x as a common. So x plus 1, and here we will take 1 equal to 0. From here, the coefficient of both the brackets and the bracket itself will be the answer equal to 0. So from these two equations, we can write x plus 1 is equal to 0 and x plus 1 equal to 0. Here we will get x is equal to minus 1, and here also we will get x is equal to minus 1. So the two roots for the for these equations are minus 1. Now second method is by using the quadratic formula. So first I will tell you the quadratic formula, that is, if we have a equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then to find the roots we have for formula, that is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So the same example we will solve. Otherwise, we will take another example, that is x square plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. So from this equation, we can see a is equal to 1, which is coefficient of x square. Then b is equal to 7, and the constant term is 10. So we will put these values in quadratic formula. Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus here b is equal to 7 plus minus under root b square 7 square minus 4 into a again 1 and c is 10 divided by 2a, 2 into 1. So solving for the minus 7 plus minus under root 7 square is 49 minus 40 divided by 2. Then minus 7 plus minus under root 9 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 7 plus minus 3 under root 9 is equal to 3 upon 2. Then really, in our academy, this is also known as the Dronacharya formula. So we will split the plus and minus signs again, that we will obtain minus 7 plus 3 divided by 2 and minus 7 minus 3 divided by 2. And the answers which we will get, the two answers which will get are the roots of the quadratic equation. So from this equation, by solving the first one, this is first and this is second. By solving this, minus 7 plus 3 is equal to minus 4 divided by 2, and minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10 divided by 2. Then from here we will get x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 5. So these are the two roots of the quadratic equation. किती वेळ चालणार आहे? Time काय झालं? Time. So in this total chapter, we have these three methods only. Two methods, sorry, two methods. The second one is not a method. एडीसी वाले कोण बघत नाही ना? मग कशाला शिकवतो? तू बघतोयस ना? नाही नाही बघतोय ना. हा मध्ये मध्ये बघितलं मला सर. काय बघतोय ते चालू आहे यार. Sometimes. मी कॉफ होतो का? We will solve some more examples. Example 2. 9x square plus 6. No, not this. 9x square plus 12x plus 4 equal to 0. We will multiply these two. No, we will solve this by the quadratic formula, because quadratic formula is the simple method to solve a quadratic equation. So a is equal to 9, b is equal to 12, and c is equal to 4. So by putting these values in quadratic equation, we'll get minus 12 plus minus under root b square, 12 square minus 4 into 9 into 4 divided by 2 into 9. Minus 12 plus minus under root. The square of 12 is 144. I am multiplying these three. 36 into 4. Again 144. From here we will get 12 divided by 18. Two by three. LD Drago. LD Drago. LD Drago.